Addition of three-digit numbers with regrouping from ones to tens. When we have more than 9 ones, suppose we have 14 ones, we can regroup them as tens and ones. For example, 14 ones can be regrouped as 1 10 and 4 ones. 14 ones is equal to 1 10 plus 4 ones. Let's understand with the following example. Let us add 527 and 338. Write the numbers in columns as shown. Step 1. Add the ones. 7 ones plus 8 ones is equal to 15 ones. Is equal to 110 plus 5 ones. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 carried over plus 2 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 6 tens. Write 6 under the tens column. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 5 hundreds plus 3 hundreds is equal to 8 hundreds. Write 8 under the hundreds column. Thus, 527 plus 338 equals 865.